Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, you probably know about the turmoil that stands right now around the Deutsche Bank, so we have talked a lot about it in our today's daily video on the forex markets. This event also has made an impact on the gold market, but mostly it was expressed not in the direction action, but some volatility rising. So take a look at the action on the intraday chart. You'll see very nervous gold behavior around the 1120 area. So on the daily chart, picture hasn't changed really significantly. Here, guys, this minor candle, we haven't got the bullish grabber because close was slightly lower than the MACD predictor. So this is just the trend shifting to the bearish side. But today, if market will move higher, this could be treated as the 2 days grabber. That also sometimes happens. So something of that sort. So for example, if market will close above the MACD, then drops immediately on the next session, this could be treated as a two session grabber. Sometimes I also use this pattern. So here, as you can see, it's very fast bounce up. It's coming on the gold market. So this could be short-term, some bullish pattern could be formed here. But mostly, guys, speaking on the daily chart, on the medium-term perspective, because on the daily chart, we're not really very interested in what is going on inside of this consolidation. We need to break out. So either to the downside or upward breakout. That's why on the daily picture, as you can see, situation almost the same. So such as minor candle on yesterday's session. It's hardly something really will happen during today's session. On the intraday charts, the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that the market has completed our target that we have specified yesterday. So as this drop has happened, the market has broken through that 1320 area. We said it's probably 1315 will be next area. Market will test. This will be weekly pivot support 1 and minor 618 target. My target has been hit just for a few cents, so probably we could treat it as a completed. The fact that market is bouncing up from the weekly pivot support 1, it tells that from the pivot point framework, this is probably positive sign for the bulls, because as weekly pivot support 1 holds the price action, it tells that previous downward action mostly should be treated as a retracement, not as the new bear trend. As you can see, upward action has started here. It was supported by the turmoil around Deutsche Bank, as I said, really problems. This is supported for the gold market. As any turmoil is triggers the demand for safe haven assets. So we will see whether this will lead to some far-going consequences and whether this will trigger some significant action on the gold. But right now, it mostly look at retracement up after the completion of some support. On the hourly chart, as you can see, market has completed our butterfly that we also have discussed. It was completed very accurately. So low stands precisely at 127 target. Based on these patterns that we have here on the hourly chart, we have the nearest target around 1329, because this will be 127 extension of the whole butterfly, is the ultimate target of the butterfly. And we have here some A, B, C, D, A, B, C bottom. It's 1618, and this will be a real strong resistance. 1327, 1329. Circumference resistance on the hourly chart. Also, this will be agreement resistance with this ABCD pattern. So that's the first destination. What will be the next, we will see. But because currently, as you can see, action is very choppy on the gold market. Mostly it's driven by short-term events. Some data has been released. Somebody has said something interesting or something of that sort. So now it's the problems of the Deutsche Bank. So it's also driving the market. Next week market will be watching for non-farm payroll data. So it's just portional data that's coming on the market makes a short-term impact, but in overall situation, it's totally gold market mostly stands indecision. So you can see this consolidation stance market just is fluctuating in a wide range. No final direction has been chosen yet. That's current view. So if we will get some patterns that we could trade and tactically on the intraday charts, if you remember how as we traded on some double repos, butterflies or something of that sort, we could try to do this. Currently, as I said, we have this very short-term stop, the target around 1328. And later we will see what will happen.